Dear students, welcome to DAV Sri Vishnu Vidya Niketan's online classes. Today we are going to discuss about the topic from the lessons Acids, Bases and Salts from the 10th class Physical Science. You people are aware of acids, bases and salts from 7th standard itself. So let us have some recapitulation from the 7th class. So acid. So it is derived from the Latin word acidus or acere, which means sour. So all the acids, traditional acids, are sour in taste. So the Latin word acidus is the basic word, root word for the acid. Now acids are sour in taste. Bases are bitter in taste and slippery to touch. Acids are of two types, mineral acids and natural acids. So in this, mineral acids are strong acids than natural acids. Bases are also of two types. They are water soluble bases and water insoluble bases. See, water soluble bases are called alkalis. Yes, you have heard this term. Okay, now alkalis means which are nothing but the bases soluble in the water. Now indicator. Any substance which show the acidic or basic character of a given material is called indicator. So indicators are basically of four types: natural indicators, synthetic indicators, olfactory indicators and universal indicators. There are four types of indicators. So in this, the natural indicator, synthetic indicator and universal indicators show the compounds whether they are in acidic or basic condition by changing their color. But only one olfactory indicator, it will tell us about the compound whether it is in basic nature or acidic nature by changing its smell, odor. Now let us check one by one. Natural indicators, which are derived from the natural materials, like, yes, you can name them. Yes. So natural indicators, they are prepared from the natural materials like turmeric, red cabbage, hibiscus and lichens, where litmus papers are prepared. So they are already prepared. In the 7th class itself, we have an activity preparing a natural indicator from hibiscus petals. Let us move on. Synthetic indicators, which are prepared in the laboratory. Example: phenolphthalein indicator, methyl orange indicator and methyl red indicator. So in these, phenolphthalein indicator and methyl orange indicators are regularly used. Methyl red indicator is optional. Olfactory indicators. So these indicators will tell us about the compound whether it is acidic or basic in nature by changing their smell. So if olfactory indicators loses its smell, then it is said to be basic nature. If it is not lost its smell, it is simply acid. Examples: onion juice and vanilla essence, and clove juice also, clove oil also we can take as olfactory indicator. Universal indicators. It gives the acidic character or basic character of a compound along with their strength. Means whether the given compound is strong acid or strong base, weak acid or weak base. Like that, it gives the strength also. And this is the paper where you are seeing at the bottom. So if you simply touch the solution of the given compound on the paper, it will change the color. Based on the color we can tell. So here 1 to 14 scale is there, where 1 to 7 scale is for acidic character and 7 to 14 is called for basic character, and at 7 it is neutral solution. As the number is decreasing in the acidic condition, so means acidic character get increased. If it moves on to 14, the basic character increases. Like this universal indicator works. Now acid turns blue litmus into red and bases turns red litmus into blue. Yes, here one mnemonic is there. The first letter of base is B and the first letter of blue is also B. So BB means bases turns blue, bases turns red litmus into blue color. You can find like this. Now let us have some look over litmus. Litmus solution is a dye. Dye means it is a color material which are extracted from lichens. It is one type of a plant belong to the Thallophyta and it is used as indicator. And in neutral solution, litmus color is purple. So very important bit. The color of the litmus in neutral solution is purple. And colored petals of some other flowers such as hydrangea, petunia and geranium are also used as indicators. Let us see those flowers. Yes, this is hydrangea and this is petunia and this is geranium. These petals are also used as natural indicators. If a person is suffering from acidity, so let you check what happened. Yes, see, already there is acid produced in the stomach. If you take more food which are acidic in nature, then acid content will get increased and that will give us some pain or burning effect in the stomach, which we call it as acidity. So it is. So here the explanation: acidity is an excessive acid production in the stomach causing heartburn and acid reflux. Excess HCl acid in stomach can due to stress and spicy foods. Okay, now whether if you feel stress or if you take more spicy food, then it causes acidity. Now what is the solution now? Yes, we have a effervescence tablets, okay now, antacid tablets. If you keep antacid tablet in the water, it will give effervescence where it will release carbon dioxide. So if we took antacid, automatically the acidity which we are suffering from is get diminished. Now what is the reaction taking place there? Now acid plus antacid. See, we know antacid means nothing but anti to acid, like anti-hero, it is anti-acid. So anti-acid means nothing but the base. Yes, we know when acid react with base, it will always be a neutralization reaction. Hence our acidity will get red. Students, I hope you understood. Thank you very much.